In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Fusion, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill service and tap on Google Password Manager. Now select any password that you wish to check. Enter your screen lock and use eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!